Lithium battery assembly tutorial. The above are the materials that need to be prepared. First, prepare the required batteries. Note that each cell needs to have the same self-capacity and the same voltage capacity internal resistance. The multimeter can be used to measure whether the voltage is consistent. The first step is to arrange the cells neatly according to the desired shape, and plan the positive and negative electrodes between each cell. At the same time, mark the total positive electrode and the total negative electrode. Each cell needs to be separated by an epoxy plate. Prevent short circuits caused by battery cells wiring each other. And wrap the battery pack a few times with fiber tape. Reduce the shaking of the battery pack. Then connect the positive and negative electrodes of the battery cells. Place the connectors and weld them. Connect all the cells in series. The second step is the wiring of the lithium battery protection board. First, determine the location of the protective board. The demonstrated protection board supports 24 strings of batteries with a total of 25 acquisition lines. The video takes 17 serial cables as an example. The protection plate corresponds to the zero position of the acquisition lines, B and C, and the first cable is the total negative line. Then the first cable is soldered to the negative electrode and the total negative electrode of the first string. Then the second wire is soldered to the positive electrode of the first string. The third wire is soldered to the positive electrode of the second string. The fourth wire goes to the third string of positive electrodes. The remaining acquisition lines are sequentially arranged to the positive electrode of each string. The acquisition line should ensure that the welding is firm. Avoid false welding. I need you. The 17th string of signal wires is connected to the total positive electrode of the battery together with the last red wire. Then find the B negative logo on the protective plate. Connect the line on the negative of the protection plate B to the total negative electrode of the battery pack. Then the total positive electrode of the battery pack is connected to a red wire separately to the positive electrode on the charging and discharging socket. Connect a wire from the C negative of the protection plate to the negative electrode of the charging and discharging socket. At this point, use a multimeter to measure the voltage between the cable interfaces. Measure in pairs. The measured voltage is equal to the corresponding single-string voltage, which means the wiring is correct. Conversely, wiring errors. After confirming that the acquisition line is correct, only then can the cable be inserted into the middle of the protective board. The excess acquisition line is suspended and not connected. It's insulated. Then I attach the temperature probe. Place in the middle and side of the battery. Measure the total battery voltage to be consistent with the output voltage of the protection board. It indicates that the protective plate is working normally. Finally, the cable and battery pack are fixed with fiber tape and epoxy board. The assembly is complete.